Hello my beautiful friends, it is Mimi here today, and today I'm going to share with you my 10 beauty uses of coconut oil. I love eating and cooking with coconut oil. However, years ago I discovered that coconut oil is not only great for cooking, but it's also great for putting it on your body, hair, and everywhere. So today I'm going to share with you my 10 favorite ways of how I use coconut oil in my beauty regime. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. In this video, I'm using my pure organic and raw love hair coconut oil. So on days when I don't have to leave the house right away and I don't have to put makeup on my face, I use coconut oil as a face moisturizer. So I put it all over my face and neck, and it instantly absorbs into my skin, leaving it glowing, soft, and smooth. In terms of giving my face a glow, it works way better than any face mask I have in the house. So next I'm gonna do a quick workout, and once I'm done with the workout, I'm gonna apply the coconut oil to my hair. I've been doing this for years. If you guys have been watching me for years, you know this already, and it works wonders to my dry, frizzy hair. I mostly focus on the ends of my hair. Sometimes I do put it all over my hair, but only when I feel like I need that extra moisture in my hair because my hair is really dry. However, generally speaking, I just apply it at the ends of my hair, just a little bit, so that it sips through into the hair, and then I roll my hair into a bun and I just leave it in the bun. Now, depending on how much time I have that day, I will either leave the mask in my hair for anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour while I'm working on a laptop or doing some house chores. So today I just left it in my hair for about half an hour while I was working, and now I'm gonna be washing it off in the shower. It comes off pretty easily. You just wash it with shampoo once or twice and you'll feel the coconut oil will be gone. But the hair is gonna feel so much smoother and silkier. It's incredible. Now, while we're still in the shower, I'm gonna share with you another beauty use for coconut oil that I use all the time, and I don't own any shaving creams at all. Ever since I've started using coconut oil, I use it as a shaving cream as well, and I just apply it on whatever area of my body that I want to shave. I'm using actually Alex's shaver. Can anybody tell me if you use your boyfriend's shaver as well? Just leave me a comment down below and like this video. So I apply it on my legs and then I shave, but also moisturizes your skin while you do that, which is amazing. Now that the shower is done, I still have my coconut oil beside me because I'm going to be using it as an all-over body butter, starting with my arms, then shoulders, then my legs, and then pretty much all over my body. All right, next I'm going to quickly blow dry my hair. And then after I blow dry it, I usually add some waves or curls with my curling wand. I'm gonna clip it away with some clips, and then once everything sets, I'm gonna release my hair from the clips, and my hair feels amazing at this point. It's soft, it's silky, it's so much more shinier. I just love the effect the coconut oil gives me. And now it's time to apply some makeup. So even as I'm doing my makeup, I still have my coconut oil beside me because I'm gonna be using it yet again. So once I'm done applying all of the makeup on my face, I use the coconut oil actually as a highlighter, and I just dab a little bit of on my finger and I apply it on the cheekbones. So as you can see here, I just lightly apply a touch of coconut oil on each side on my cheekbones, and it just instantly highlights my face. It adds a nice glow. It just refreshes the face and works like magic. Now, throughout the day, as I'm working or just going about my day, if I notice that my lips are getting dry and dehydrated, I make sure to add a little bit of coconut oil on my lips, regardless of whether I have any lipstick on or lip balm on, or even if they're just bare. I will just apply it on top of whatever I'm wearing. And again, that adds a nice glow, but most importantly, it adds instant surge of moisture onto my lips, and I just don't have dry lips anymore. It's amazing. Also, throughout the day, usually after I wash my hands, I remember to do this, I apply coconut oil as a hand cream to my hands. And I usually get dry skin on my hands all the time. However, ever since I started using coconut oil as a hand cream, or instead of a hand cream, it just worked wonders for my hands, and my hands are nice, soft, and smooth if I use the coconut oil daily. If I miss a few days of applying coconut oil on my hands, I start getting dry skin again. All right, the day is coming to an end, and now it's time to take off my makeup, and I absolutely enjoy the process of removing my makeup with coconut oil because it's just so soothing. So you apply a little bit on a cotton pad, and then you just apply it anywhere on the face where you want to remove the makeup, whether it's on your face or your eyes or under eye area or your neck, because we apply makeup on the neck as well, at least I do. And then it removes the most stubborn makeup, including waterproof makeup and mascara, and it's just amazing. And then after I remove my makeup, I also make sure to use the coconut oil as an eye cream. So I apply it under my eye area, and it leaves that area nice, smooth, and hydrated. And right before I go to sleep, I apply coconut oil to my feet instead of a foot cream. And I just apply it all over, massage into the soles of my feet. And it honestly leaves the soles of my feet baby soft. It's just an incredible feeling and just a wonderful experience. And then I blow out the candle and I go to sleep. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.